I'm Jay. Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry.
Bess. Yes.
Hi. Oh, just a minute. Okay. Sorry, we are late. We are late for like 15 minutes because
no
our camera suffers some.
Okay, because I'm always here, so don't worry.
Thank you for your support. Oh, and would you like to have a 10 or 15 minutes to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products, please? Thank you. Here you go.
Okay, no problem. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce my factory. My factory is located in Jiangmen City. We have more than 15 years lighting experience. From 2004 till now, we have do a lot of new products during these days. Now, just come with me. I would like to show you our products. First of all, I would like to show you our. This is called a Gypsum Lighting. You see, this is a different shape. It can combine the construction with the lighting together. You will not see the lighting. You will see the complete construction. This is the charm of this kind of lighting. And besides this, this have a different way to show. You can see here. This is also our Gypsum Lighting. You see, it can make different design by yourself, and it can flexible to adjustable by yourself. And here, this one is the hot cell, which is very popular. This is full series from 6 watt to 40 watt. This is modular, have different frame to match. You can see here. Here is all the kinds of frame. It is separately to package. This is very popular now. And this is the Gibson lighting. As what I showed you before, kind of lighting like this. And we got another kind of lighting. Here is our magnetic lighting display. You can see it have a different motor to match. You can choose by yourself. This is all of our certification, or some of our certification, not all, have some products certification and different cities, this CB, CE, and government certification. And we also cooperate with some big brand. And now please come here to see this wall. This is our 9 square meters show along the outer wall. You see, this is different CCT, different color temperature, and this is different CRI. The article under different temperature and the different CRI will show the different efficiency. You see, this is anti-glare. From this angle, you cannot see any light come out from the lighting. You will only see the lighting output, but you cannot see any anti-glare. And now we are holding a meeting with some famous person. You see, here is our meeting. This is famous professional people here to teach our customers some knowledge. And the last part, the last part is our new products. This is our new design. Chocolate is different than others. This is special made by ourselves. This is our IP44 downlight. It has COB and SMD 2 options. Oh, sorry, I forget this one. This interesting room. See, this room is our magical lighting room. It can you can see the ceiling. We also set some lightings to do the different lighting efficient in different environment. Use different lighting. This is by smart. Okay, in the last, I would invite you to visit our website and visit our factory in Jiangmen city, and welcome us, welcome all the people, and our brand is Ounen. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your splendid introduction. It's really good work. Thank you. So see you next time. Thank you. Have a good contribution. Thank you. Bye.